Hello guys, my name is Remedy. Today I'm going to show you how to hard code wallet address. There is this problem that people are having, like issues of wallet address being changed. So like you're a developer and you have developed this site for your customer, and you don't want the wallet address to be changed by the customer you develop the site for, the client you develop the site for. So what you need to do is to hard code the wallet address. So this is what I'm going to show you now, how you can easily hard code the wallet address so that it cannot be changed from the admin, right? It cannot be changed from admin, that you are the only one, the developer will be the only one to change it from the cPanel. Like, this is what I'm saying, this is a wallet address. You don't want this wallet address. On a normal, it can be changed from the admin. So you don't want it to be changed from admin. So for security purposes, you want it to be hard coded so that you'll be the only one to be changing it. So that's what I'm going to show you, how we are going to do that now. Alright, so now for you to do this, you need to be on your cPanel, right? You need to be on your cPanel, and you need to go to exactly where you stored it. So I'm going to use this one for this example. I'm going to use this particular one I have. Alright, I'm going to use this one for this example, this one here. So once you're on your cPanel where you have uploaded the script, you're going to first of all go to the folder called resources. Alright, go to views. Alright, now if you are on views, go to user folder. Alright, then you're going to see a file called payment.blade.php, this particular one. Right click and click on edit. Then edit it. Now once you edit it, you come to line, that's line 70, should be line 79, yeah, line 79 or line 78. This place where you have this, starting from line 76, this place where you have this. Now there is simple of code I'm going to write here. I'm going to show you how I'm writing it, but I'm still going to paste the code on the group, on my Telegram group, so that you can access it anytime you want. Unfortunately, I cannot place braces on the YouTube description box. So but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paste it on my group, so that you can copy it anytime you want it. But I'm going to show you how to write the code here. It's just a simple code, a simple Laravel code that you can put here, you can place here, and it will work so that it will be hard coded. Alright, let me show you. Now, this is from line 7. Once, yeah, you understand, I started from, let me go back. Okay, let me continue. I might still go back and show you where I went to. Alright, I said you start from what? Your resources folder, you go to the view folder, you see user folder, then inside the user folder you see the payment.blade.php. all right, so from that line 76, this line 76, everything you have from line 76 to line 76, from here to there, to where you have read only, that's the input form, that's the input tag of this thing. Now that's where you are going to write the code on. So first of all, this payment, this thing you're seeing here, now the value you're seeing here now is the value of the wallet address that is gotten from the what database. You know, you save it from the admin, and it saves on the database. Then this is what pulls it out from the what, the database. That's this thing you're seeing here, this payment wallet address. It checks for all the wallet addresses. So if you choose payment mode of Ethereum, it will get to the wallet address of Ethereum. If you choose the wallet address of, if you have Bitcoin, it will be Bitcoin. So what we want to do is to hard code it. We don't want it to be coming from the database, just for security reasons, that any other person that have access to the admin cannot change the wallet address. All right, so that's what we are going to do now. So what are we going to do? Let's write the code. I'm going to start with the Laravel blade at. So at, if you write the $sign payment method, payment mode underscore mode. I'm going to paste this code on my Telegram group so that you get access to it anytime, right? So but I'll first of all show you how to write it. All right, if payment mode name is equal to, that's the payment mode name is equal to, like, if you know, when a person clicks on, just like here, when you click on deposit, when you click on deposit, So when you click on deposit, it asks you the amount. Now it asks you to choose the mode. So the method now is the mode. So if I choose Ethereum, what it will get for me is Ethereum. All right. So if I go ahead and click on this, it has chosen Ethereum, right? So what their wallet address here is going to pop up for me is Ethereum wallet address. So I'm going to, or if I say Bitcoin, so I'm going to in the logic of the code, I'm going to tell it if it is Bitcoin or if it is Ethereum. All right. If it is Bitcoin, yeah, look at what you're going to do. Now the value of the wallet address is going to be the value of the wallet address I'm going to add. I'll call it BBBBB. That's, you copy the wallet address and put here now. If it is Bitcoin, copy your Bitcoin wallet address and put there. So let it be BBB. All right. Now the next thing you're going to write is at. Now if there is another wallet address you want to add, as if the wallet address, the payment method, the same thing, this payment method name, all right, payment mode name is equal to, let's say, now you might not know the name. What you are going to go, if you want to know the payment methods you have, you go to your database. Once you go to your database, this is your database, like your PHP admin. Click on your database. This is the database of this. Scroll down to where you have withdrawal methods. Here where you have withdrawal methods, you're going to see the names of all the payment method you have. So if the payment method name is a Bitcoin, you should, like, that's the name here, you can copy it and use it here so that you don't make a mistake. So this place we have name here is equal to, the equality sign should be double, please, is equal to Bitcoin. That the value of the wallet address will be this. As if the is equal to, let's say, maybe is equal to, let's say, USDT. Let's use USDT here. As if is equal to USDT, you now copy this input method where you have here. Copy this input method. Let's close this. Copy this input method and paste. Then clear this and paste your USDT wallet address. USDT. All right. Now go down at X if the payment method mode name is equal to, let's say, is equal to, let's say, the quality sign should be true twice, please, not because you are checking the quality, you're not just checking, you are just checking the equivalent. So is equal to, let's say, maybe we are going for USDT next. USDT next. So we are going to have this, still copy this input method. All right, paste it here. Then put your Ethereum wallet address here. The Ethereum wallet address is what is going to be an Ethereum wallet address, right? Then X. You can do this as many as possible, as many payment method you have. You can add another one for dot. Just the same thing. Copy the X if and everything in the input method. Then scroll down, and have what? And have maybe you say this one is Dodge. If this payment method is equal to Dodge, is equivalent to Dodge. All right. If it is Dodge, then you should put Dodge wallet address here. Right. So the next one is maybe the X at X. That's once you want to finish X if X. What else will you do? If X, what else do you want it to do? If X, you might make it empty, or you might make it to be taken from database, or you might just leave it as empty as just, let's say, X. It should be, let's say, empty. Or X. If you want it X to be going from database, then you use bricks. All right. Payment method. Payment mode wallet address. Alright, then you will now end this if statement at end if. I'm going to make this thing available to the group so that you have it. So this is the code you need. In fact, you don't need to bother yourself writing this. Now I'm going to paste this code. What you're going to do is that you go to line 76. Let me check which line is that. Line 76 here. What you're going to do now is that you're going to, whenever you want to do this, just go to from line 76 to line that's line 79. You are going to remove this input method here and replace it with this. Let me save this and show you that it works. So what you are going to have here is your these ones we have hard coded here. That's the ones we are going to have here. All right, so let me show you this. Let me show you this. So let's do this method 300. Sorry, I'm having a problem. All right. Where is the problem coming from? Oh, I didn't close that. Sorry, I didn't close that. Yeah, I'm supposed to close this. I did not close it. So it's supposed to close it with brace. That's why I'm having that error. So I did not close it. Okay, so let's refresh. I still did not close the one for Ethereum. Sorry, let me close all of them. I did not close the one for Ethereum. Let me close this. I'm supposed to close the brackets. Okay, we are good. So you close the bracket. So this is the code. I'm going to paste it on the group and you're going to get it. So no mistake. All right, we are good. All right, so you see the wallet address you're seeing now is BB. Okay, it's not BB. It's no longer coming from, look at it, the value that there is BB. All right, if I choose Ethereum, assuming I choose Ethereum, assuming I choose it, or USDT. Okay, let's go with USDT. All right, let's go with USDT. Right, all right, this thing you're seeing there is your wallet address. So this is what the wallet address is, what you're going to paste here. All right, so don't do mistake. You're going to paste the wallet address here. Okay, if you choose Dodge, it's going to do the same thing. So how will you do it now? Once you get this code, what you are going to do, I'm going to paste this code on the chat, on the WhatsApp group, on the Telegram group. So what you're going to do is just copy the wallet address, this code now. You go through those process I told you. You come to users, like let's go back. So once you have this thing, you come to resources, click on resources, click on views, then scroll down to where you have user. All right, then click on payment. So when you click on payment, you come over to bring you this. So you scroll to line 76, the same place under this group where you have the input value to the place you have the read only. You can remove everything and replace it with, in that line 76 to 77, right, replace it with this my code. Then it will now start working for you. All right, that's how you're going to make the wallet address to be hard coded, so that it cannot be changed from the admin. And the complaint of once someone has changed the wallet address, I don't know whether it's me, I don't know whether it's the person that I'm working with, will be solved. So anyway, if it changes, you will know that it's from the person that has access to the cPanel, or the person you give access to the cPanel, or the hosting company itself. So now it cannot be changed by anyone that logs in from the admin. All right, if the owner cannot easily change it, unless you, the developer, is the one that will be able to change it. Are you getting that? So that's how this thing works. I've just given you the code. I'm going to paste this code on the group so that you are going to see how it works. You are going to be using it to make your payments in case you're among the people that are having this issue. All right, so the issue we stop. Okay, this is for Ethereum, so let's choose Ethereum. All right, so are you seeing that's the wallet address we have there? If you look at when the payment method is Ethereum, the value is what? EE. All right, okay, that's it. So I'm going to be making more tutorials on how to do many of all these things. This is the first tutorial I've made. I'm going to make more so that people will not be having issue, and I have more script that are still going to be provided for you guys. Thank you.